Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today's video we are going to make homemade yogurt. So I'm going to show you how to make homemade yogurt. First, take your pot or your sufuria, pour in your milk, and make sure you sieve your milk, guys. For some reasons, just make sure you sieve your milk. That's 5 liters. I'm going to boil it, put it to boil. As you boil your milk, make sure it boils well. Make sure your milk boils well because you don't want to get some diseases. Put it to boil and let it boil well. After boiling, put it to rest for it to cool down. After that, take your plastic container, your clean plastic container, then take your milk, pour in. Mine it was 5 liters. I'm going to use 4 liters. One remain for some use later. Then take your flavor of your choice. Take the flavor of your choice or the brand of your choice, the plain yogurt brand of your choice, and make sure your milk it has cooled enough. So for me, I'm using Elara plain yogurt, plain yogurt, plain yogurt, and I'm going to use that. Is it 500 grams? Remel, all of it. Some people just measure on spoons, like 1 spoon, 2 spoons, but for me, I want my yogurt to be thick. The more you put your plain yogurt, the thicker it becomes. And you'll see, guys, it will be thick, 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 thick. And I don't know if you have noticed something. I use a plastic bowl or a container or a tin. Even the spoon, plastic. Don't use the metal one unless you want your yogurt to be water or watery or lighter. Then cover it in a fleece if you have one, or a small blanket if you have one. And as for me, I'm going to put it inside my oven. In my house, that's the safest place because after covering it, it don't need to put where people will move it. They want to pass or people cross over it, something like that. So you have to put it somewhere that it will be just safe. So as for me, inside my oven, it's safer. Then leave it for 12 hours. Leave it for 12 hours. Others leave it 42 hours, others 40. But as for me, this is the following day. Let's check our yogurt. Let's check our yogo. My son calls it yogo. I hope it has turned out well. Sorry, guys. Wow. You see? Yeah? It looks like a brick. You see? See, guys, how thick it is? That's one good sign that your yogurt is perfect. That's good sign. That's the first sign to let you know that your yogurt is perfect. You see, I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it. It has turned out so good. So good, guys. So let's put our flavor. That's strawberry. My kids love strawberry flavor. Say the strawberry or vanilla. Strawberry or vanilla. Put in sugar according to your taste. If you want it to be more sweeter or just normal way, that's fine. As for me, remember how my milk was 4 liters. So I have to put more sugar. Not that much, but just exactly how it's supposed to be. Remember, your spoon must be a plastic one. Even your container must be a plastic one, guys. Remember that. That's it, guys. That's our yogo. That's it. It has turned out so well. That's it, guys. Like this video, subscribe, watch from the start to the end, guys. Comment. See you next time, my people. Love you.